How to lock the Solflare Wallet. First of all, open Solflare Wallet on your device. Once you do that, you can see this type of interface. Now to lock the wallet, go ahead and click on the settings or care icon on the bottom right hand side. Then go to security and privacy. Once you head over to there, you can see biometrics. Go ahead and enable biometrics. Enter your passcode. Once you do that, you can just tap on enable. Go ahead and tap in your finger and the biometrics will now be enabled. The next step is to tap on request authentication. Go ahead and tap on every time app is open. So after you do this, you can just go ahead and go back. Now you can just go ahead and close the app and try opening it. Once you try opening it, you can now see that the option will be shown over here. You can just go ahead and enable the lock system over here and your app will be secure. So guys, this is how easy it is to lock the Solflare wallet. I hope this video was helpful for you. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more.